Peace and blessings, peace and blessings. I'll be having a blessed day thus far. And I want to show you how you can create your own affiliate program with inside of Builderall. And I know a lot of us have been a part of plenty of affiliate programs in our life when it's come down to this entrepreneur journey, right? But I want to be able to show you how you can use this platform, have a digital product like an ebook or course or anything like that, and you can be able to pay people a percentage of how you want to pay them for sharing your product. Don't that sound kind of amazing to you? Like, just think about it. You literally paying somebody to share your, ebook, course, or whatnot, and that can really help your business when it comes down to growing it, right? So we're gonna go here. We're gonna go to the Builderall website builder, right? So I have already opened up it right here, so it should be already ready for us to get started. All right, so now I'm in my back office of the Builderall builder. This is my ebook. And if you haven't got the ebook, I suggest you go get it at www.improveyourmentalfocus.com. An amazing guide to help you when it comes down to focusing in this world that we have so many distractions today, right? So as you can see, I've made my the home page, the thank you page. This is gonna be what I did when it comes down to affiliate marketing. So let me go show you right over here in Super Checkout. Let's load up Super Checkout. Because it's exactly where you want to have to go to enable to be able to have an affiliate program before you even put things together. So let's let this super checkout load in and get right to it. Mm-mm. Come on, thing. Recording. I got these tabs. Okay. All right. So this week, see, I got one sale. This week, I have 30. So look at the thing, slowing things down. Okay. Try to load this product up, right? All right, so you see the Improve Your Mental Focus ebook. So want to go to edit. It is basically how you get started when it comes down to any digital product in Super Checkout. So of course you want to have your picture, your product info, the description, everything, right? Digital, see that's ebooks, see the pricing, product qualification, affiliation, right? So now it's showing the selected page where visitors will request affiliation. That's the page that I just showed you where it showed affiliate marketing. I don't have it going to the email marketing at this time. So right now I'm automatically approving affiliates, that people that want to get paid. So that ebook is like $20. And basically when you sell it, you get $10 multiple times via PayPal, and there's no cap on that. So right now mine just have one level. Since it's $20, I'm sharing 50% profits with anybody that sign up for free and share this amazing ebook and pay you 50%. So you get $10, I get $10. So that right there, you can configure levels. It ain't gotta just be 50%. If you have a course that just says is teaching people how to build something or whatever the case may be, if you charge them $1,000 and you put it at 50%, they gonna get 50% of 1,000, but you still gonna get you a sale. See what I'm saying? It's very, very powerful when you look at it that way. So I'm gonna go to my website to kind of show it to you in live action, let you see what I'm talking about. Let's leave from there. All right, let's go to my actual website. So you see at the top, all this was added in. You can click right here. It's your affiliate login spot. See how long that may take up to load. It's loading now. So you see somebody just purchased their copy right there. Just popped up. You click right here to become an affiliate. See if this thing ain't ready yet. Still loading. I'll come back to it. So you scroll down, right? It's telling about my website, all of it. So these right here are just testimonies on why that hasn't loaded up their pictures and stuff. But, so if you see at the bottom of the website, your account, the Facebook group I have, disclaimer, and other ebooks, you can always go down here and click down here for other ebooks. But right here, you get paid to share. So this the login. So if you're not affiliate, you go here, register, log in, and get your affiliate link. But you see how I just created my own affiliate program within my ebook? Very, very powerful. So let's take that off. So even with this, I gave a pop-up on here. So this is get paid share right here. Click on that, need more options, or you can get 25% off of the ebook as well. So let's just say click on get paid share. But this is what makes it very, very powerful for me, because I understand a lot of people don't want to or they don't care about getting paid when it comes down to sharing somebody's product. Me personally, I like to pay people when it comes down to them sharing anything of mine, because it's your time. You can't get that back. And that's why I do my best to give out information, help my affiliates when it comes down to how they can use Facebook to share this and get paid, man. Talk about mental focus in the times that we're in. So it's the website. Let me see if this thing loaded up. All right. As you can see, the affiliate members page. I'm looking for highly motivated people that want to earn money as well as help someone improve their mental focus. How commissions work. You will receive $10 for each sale of the ebook. Then they go here to become an affiliate, the other page that I just showed you. So that right there to me is very, very powerful, because I love sharing this ebook. It has helped a lot of people continue to grow in their life, as well as to be able for the same person that bought the ebook, they able to sign up for free and sell this same ebook to be able to earn daily income via PayPal. So I just thought that was very, very powerful when it comes down to this amazing platform that we have. And see, it's quite a few tools that you can choose from. But I just wanted to show that affiliation side, because I know a lot of people have businesses and digital products. And if you want help selling them, this would be a great way to create you an affiliate program so you can be paying people a percentage for sharing your stuff when they sign up. And I just think that's amazing. But as you can see, feel free to pause this video at any time to look at all these tools that they have, even this script generator. I'm gonna go into a lot of different other videos to make on all these tools, because it's gonna take quite some time. But that's what I really wanted to take this video out to show everybody that it's not a game when it comes down to creativity in 2023, as well as this is my affiliate section when it comes down to me sharing the platform to create the websites and stuff for you. And also too, you do get paid. Like, I know a lot of times certain opportunities, they'll ask themselves, is it real? Is it not real? Do people get paid and things of that nature? Yes, people do get paid, but it's not a get rich quick nothing when it comes down to learning and earning when it comes down to Builderall. People still getting it down there. I didn't even think that I'd be able to create a website that I can actually, help people with and earn. Because a lot of people talk about website building and like it's so hard. Builderall is a lot of drag and drop that can really get you where you want to be. Like even the mobile version, anything, it looked real, real good. Let me see if this thing to load it up. Still taking this. Time to load up. But yeah, access for people to get started if you want to, and put a 14-day free trial if you want to try this platform out for your business and see where it take you. Because I have learned a lot from this company. I've been with them for few years, so I have learned a lot, and I have been able to earn from sharing the platform as well. If this thing taking forever to load up because I got all these this is the life of an entrepreneur, man. Anybody that entrepreneurship, I'm pretty sure you done had your computers wilding at different times when it come down to loading. So I definitely appreciate you taking time to have patience when it come down to that, because this is everyone that's viewing. This thing just stopped taking forever. Just want to show you my back office of my affiliate section. Shut it. Now I want to show, right? So let's go down here while it's still trying to load everything up for the time being. And of course, when you get started, you want to share. When it comes down to this platform, you can share this platform for free. Like, you don't have to pay to get started and be an affiliate. But if you want the tools and stuff to use to be able to market it, I would suggest getting a plan. Like the free, everybody know how it is when you get something on a free account. You're gonna have some tools and stuff, but it's not gonna be like anybody who have paid. So right now, I have $68 on hold, 14,000 paid. So it's a amazing platform, and I love helping people. With you, like I said before in the description, I will have more information what you think, but I think it's very, very powerful to have that, to be able to create your own affiliate program instead of you know getting started with other opportunities so much. So I appreciate you. Thanks again. This is Larry Williams, Mr. TMI Generation, signing off. Peace.